unlocking the mystery of wire grid. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, wire grid. This might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding phrases like this is key to mastering English, especially if you're interested in areas like engineering, architecture, or even everyday DIY projects. First things first, let's understand the phrase itself. A wire grid is a structure made up of interconnected wires forming a grid pattern. Think of it like a metal net or a mesh, but usually, it's more rigid and structured. It's used in various contexts, from shelving in stores to parts in electronic devices. To get a clearer picture, let's break down the phrase. 1. Wire. This is a long, thin piece of metal. Wires are used for many purposes, like conducting electricity or supporting structures. 2. Grid. This refers to a pattern of straight lines that cross each other to form squares or rectangles. When combined, wire grid is literally a grid made out of wire. Understanding is easier with examples, so let's look at how wire grid is used. 1. In construction, wire grids can reinforce concrete in buildings. 2. In retail, wire grid panels are often used in shops to display products. 3. In electronics, small wire grids can be found in devices like microphones and speakers. You might wonder why it's important to understand terms like wire grid. It's not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of how things around you are made and function. This can be incredibly useful in both professional settings and daily life. And that's a wrap on wire grid. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and added a new term to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but understanding the world through them. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.